Hey guys, I was just browsing Hugging Face and then I saw this model Supertonic-3 and what really caught my attention is this thing over here. It says no GPU and it's supposedly lightning fast. On-device TTS now speaks in 31 languages. At first glance, it looks too good to be true, but we will install it and let's see if it's actually any good. It might be good. Cool. So these are the instructions. We'll be doing that later. But for now, I want you guys to listen to the reference voice and the output of this tool.
Wait a moment while we connect your call. The number you have. Good morning. Thank you for calling. How can I help you today?
この街には何かちょうどいい遊び相手見つけたかも。
베를린 평원을 지키는 것은 고귀한 익시온 기사이죠. 정의로운 그들은 언제나 약자들을 보호하고 혼자 떠나기엔 길이 험하구나. 이 낡은 검을 가져가거라. 언젠가 어둠이 내 이름을 부르더라도 부디 빛을 잊지 말거라.
제 능력 부족이 이번 프로젝트에 차질을 가져왔습니다. 정말 죄송합니다. 다시 한번 이번 결과로 인해 실망을 드리게 되어 진심으로 사과드립니다. I was not afraid of silence. I had lived with it long enough to know that sometimes it speaks more honestly than people do.
집에서 사용하는 전자기기들의 대기 전력을 차단하면 에너지 절약에 큰 도움이 됩니다. 레아니아의 원주민들은 이 원소를 카린테라고 부르며 이들은 이를 통해 その朝、ロンドンの霧はいつになく低く垂れ込めていた。私はただの訪問者だと思っていたが、ホームズの目はすでに別の結論にたどり着いていた。
So far, I'm impressed. Oh, there's this one more sample here. Let's might as well finish all the samples.
에코의 숲에 소리를 내지 마. 롤런드의 추종자들이 듣고 있을지 모르니까. 아니, 그것을 지키는 일이 더 어려울 거다. 저주받은 숲에서 길을 잃었다면 Here's a story worth paying attention to. Supertone has released Supertonic-3, its on-device TTS model. This version expands support to 31 languages and improves reading stability.
Okay, that was very, very good. There's some charts here. Yeah. So these are the languages: English, Bulgarian, Greek. You guys can see on the screen. Just gonna make it bigger for you guys. So yeah, sorry, I just burped. I will install this now on my local machine. Wish me luck. Okay guys, so now we are going to install. So this is the quick start. Install the Python SDK and generate speech immediately. On first run, the SDK downloads the model assets from Hugging Face. Yeah, so I guess we need to run it first, then it will download all the assets. Actually, to be on the safe side, I'm just gonna review the GitHub page first. I think the instructions here are a bit more detailed. Okay, so install Supersonic. Okay, getting started. Yep, so we'll do this thing. We'll do this now. Okay, so now I am in my E drive. That's where I keep all my repos. Yep. Okay. Now we are in the Supertonic folder. Now we're gonna install LFS and we're gonna clone the assets into the assets folder. Okay, the assets have been downloaded. We're just gonna create a UV environment. Okay, now we're gonna run the example Onyx Py file. I think this will produce the audio file using CPU for inference. Oh, okay, cool. It's in this results folder. Let's have a listen. Okay, so we are back in that folder. So this is the results.
This morning, I took a walk in the park, and the sound of the birds and the breeze was so pleasant that I stopped for a long time just to listen. This morning, I took a walk in the park, and the sound of the birds and the breeze was so pleasant that I stopped for a long time just to listen.
Actually, I'm not sure why there are 4 audio files here. Let me go to the terminal again. So generating speech from text. Okay, it did actually create 4 audio files. I'm not sure why. But let's finish listening to the last 2.
This morning, I took a walk in the park, and the sound of the birds and the breeze was so pleasant that I stopped for a long time just to listen. This morning, I took a walk in the park, and the sound of the birds and the breeze was so pleasant that I stopped for a long time just to listen.
Yeah, I'm not exactly sure why there were 4 files created. Maybe it's intentional. But I guess you were able to notice how fast that was, right? And it was using CPU for inference. Interesting. Because stuff like this, they use the GPU, right? They don't use the CPU. My understanding is GPU is faster, but from what we've seen, from what I've showed you in this demo, it's actually pretty fast. Now the next step is I'm going to ask help from GPT 5.5 to create a nicer UI for this. I want to be able to upload a voice, and we use that as the clone, and we can create more stuff. So back in the same terminal, just gonna go out of this Py folder, and I'm gonna run codecs from here. Okay, so we are using GPT 5.5 low, and I am in YOLO mode. So YOLO, I think that means you only live once. I think that's what it means. So first, I want GPT 5.5 to understand what this repo is all about. Hey, please have a look at this repo so you understand what this is about. Let me know once done. Cool, it's done. Reading the repo. This repo is for Supertonic, an on-device multilingual text-to-speech, yada. Cool, so it is respecting the rules I set for the global codecs. Ignore those rules for now. Respect the structure of the repo as it is. I want you to make a gradient for that will allow me to upload voice file that can be used for cloning. It seems to be done. It's just running some smoke tests. Seems to be really done this time. Just one more thing before we actually go to the UI. Make a start.bat file in root so I can easily run the app. Let's try it out. So this is the start.bat file. Let's run it. Maybe it's already running. We try. Yeah, so yeah, it was already running. That's why there was an error in the bat file. Okay. English preset voice 1. Let's try to generate.
Supertonic is a fast local text-to-speech system.
You guys saw how fast that was, right? That was insane. Actually, let me mute my microphone so there's no echo.
Supertonic is a fast local text-to-speech system. Supertonic is a fast local text-to-speech system.
Wow, that is crazy fast. Let's try M1.
Supertonic is a fast local text-to-speech system.
Wow. But this is just boring checks. Let me go back to GPT 5.5. So I want to have a selection of checks, maybe some tongue twisters, so we can really push the limits of this model, right? So let's go back to GPT 5.5. We're back at the terminal for codecs. It works fine. However, I want to be able to load some text, maybe some tongue twisters and the like, but still be able to enter free-form text. Oh, actually, I'm just gonna wait for this to finish. Also add some Japanese, other languages there, please. Give me as many samples as possible. Oh, actually, there is already some Korean and Japanese samples. Also, add more samples, one for each language. This model is capable of please. Wow, there's a lot of samples now. I'm not sure if I can do it all in this video. Maybe we'll pick some, I guess. We just need to restart the app. Let's do that now. Okay, guys, so the app has restarted. And we're gonna play around with some samples. There's a lot of samples now. And yep, so I'll be muting my microphone so there's no echo. And let's start.
She sells seashells by the seashore, and the shells she sells are surely seashells. Wait, really? I thought we agreed this was supposed to be simple. في هذا الصباح الهادئ، فتحت النافذة ودخل ضوء الشمس إلى الغرفة. Heute Morgen war die Straße ruhig und die Luft roch nach Regen. Dnes ráno bolo mesto pokojné a vzduch voňal po daždi.その朝、窓の外には柔らかい光が差し込んでいました。
その朝、窓の外には柔らかい光が差し込んでいました。
Wow, that was super fast and super impressive. So those were all the default voices that came with the repo. For this final test, we're gonna use one of the custom voices from Minimax. So as it turns out, it's not as simple as uploading an MP3 file, and that tool can use that. It's more complicated than that. You have to go to this website for the Supertonic voice builder. You upload your MP3 file there, and it will spit out a JSON file. And that JSON file is what we'll use for this app. So the UI we've created is a bit misleading, so we have to remove that. So I'll do that now. If we cannot use the upload audio file, you are right. That is misleading. Please remove it from the UI. Cool. Now we are going to this website. So we are now at the Supertonic website for the custom voice builder. I was able to upload a sample voice, the Goblin file. This is from Minmax. It's a very expressive voice. That's why I always use this as a sample. However, to get the actual JSON file, it looks like we need to pay $49. So I guess we won't be doing that for this video. But honestly, guys, even without that custom audio, you have 5 female voices and 5 male voices. I think that's more than enough. So there you have it, guys. This is Supertonic TTS. It runs on CPU. It is super fast. And I hope this video was helpful, and I hope it brings value. If you like more stuff like this, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment, share, and I guess I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.